After the electoral debacle in Haryana and Maharashtra, the Congress party will likely witness major organizational changes. Young leaders in key posts, examination of capabilities of leaders, and fulfillment of the key objectives set at the party's Udaipur Chintan Shivir in 2022. These are some things that are likely to happen in the new year for the Grand Old Party. In his inaugural speech at the Thursday's Congress Working Committee meeting in Belgavi, Congress Chief Mallikarjun Kharge said that 2025 will be the year of our organization's empowerment. We will equip our organization with the necessary skills to win elections from AICC to Mandal and booth. We will have to find such people who are ideologically committed, who are ready to fight to protect the constitution, who believe in the Congress party's idea of India. Such people have to be connected to the party and brought into the mainstream, Kharge said. Of the 7 objectives set at the Udaipur Declaration, the Congress has implemented 4 suggestions, including expanding the CWC to include 50% youth, women, SC, ST, and OBC members. However, one person, one post, restrictions of tickets to families, and setting up an election management cell are yet to be implemented. There is also a buzz that Congress General Secretary Organization KC Venugopal is also likely to be replaced, and he is likely to work at the helm of the party's state unit in Kerala, where the polls are due in 2026. Maharashtra, where the party came down from 44 seats to 16 seats, Satej Patil is likely to replace Nana Patole as state Congress chief. The party also announced a campaign named Jai Bapu, Jai Bhim and Jai Samvidhan. The campaign concludes at Mau, the birthplace of Dr. Ambedkar, on January 26, 2025, commemorating the 75th anniversary of the Constitution coming into force. The campaign will include padyatras, village level, block level, district level and state level rallies. Leaders at all levels, national, state, district and grassroots, will lead this initiative. An AICC session will be held in April 2025 in Gujarat, where the Congress has been out of power since 1995. Remember, in July 2024, Rahul Gandhi stood up in the parliament and said that the India bloc would defeat the BJP in Gujarat. Another rally, Samvidhan Bachao Rashtriya Padyatra, will take place from January 26, 2025 to January 26, 2026. At a time when the Congress is planning a revamp of the party, its priority should be to strengthen the Seva Dal. The secret behind BJP's resounding victory in Haryana and Maharashtra was to a major extent the RSS working on the ground and motivating the core voters to vote in favor of the BJP. The Congress, which has lost grassroots connect, will have to revive its social organization, the Seva Dal, to connect with the people, spread the Congress ideology amongst the youth and counter the BJP RSS ideology. Formed in 1923, the Seva Dal, then known as Hindustani Seva Dal, was first led by Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Seva Dal had played a significant role in India's freedom struggle, training Congress workers and instilling in them military discipline and the passion to fight for liberty through the ideals of truth and non-violence. Several Congress stalwarts such as Rajguru, Rajendra Prasad and Subhash Chandra Bose were members of Seva Dal. In 1931, the Congress Working Committee renamed the Hindustani Seva Dal as the Congress Seva Dal, making it the central volunteer organization of the Congress. Every province was to have a general officer commanding the provincial Seva Dal. The organization also focused specifically on 3 categories of people: children, adolescents, and adults. All Seva Dal members were required to take an oath, which among other things required them to stay aloof from political activity in the Congress. Interestingly, RSS founder Dr. K.B. Hedgewar was also associated with the Hindustani Seva Dal. As time passed, the organization lost its significance. If Rahul Gandhi promotes the Seva Dal, he can rebuild not just the Seva Dal but also attract a lot of Congress ideology young blood to the party, establishing ground connect amongst the people. And the best way to do it is to be at the helm of Seva Dal, which will bring the media and people's attention to the Seva Dal, and this move can once again bring Seva Dal back to the mainstream. That's it for this news report. Do comment your views on what changes Congress should make in the new year.
Stay ahead with our cutting-edge news app. Instantly access the latest shorts in just 1 minute and breaking news in just 50 words. Download now for a smarter, faster news experience.